In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable permanent private browsing in Mozilla Firefox. This should be a pretty straightforward process. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, just go ahead, open your Firefox browser. Go ahead, click on Open. And if this window pop up, just click on Not Now. Now, just go ahead to the top right side. Click on the menu as you can see now. And just go ahead, scroll down until you find Settings. Click on that. And after you go ahead, click on Settings, just go to the left side where it says Privacy and Security. Click on that, then scroll down. Keep scrolling down under Cookies and Site Data. You can click on the Delete Cookies and Site Data when Firefox is closed, or you can go ahead and disable it as you can see right now. So that is how to disable permanent private browsing on Mozilla Firefox. As always, thank you for watching.